Hey guys, this is Team BSE Big Sheet Energy with Addie,
Ava,
and Maya.
Today we will be walking you through our landscaping invoice tracker. First, let's take a look at our beautiful cover sheet, which details the instructions for using our spreadsheet. In order to access the landscaping information, you are going to go to our Billing Creator tab.
Once you're in the Billing Creator tab, you will see how we decided to organize our rock, soil, and foliage types with a drop-down menu. Right now, we have a ran between function to show the product amount, just to give an example, but once you know however many products you want to order, you can put that input into the product amount of the section of the table. So for example, if we wanted to do 70, that would give us the information that we need, and it would change it for the total cost and materials.
Once you input your desired amount, the spreadsheet will calculate the total costs, which can be found on the total costs page, and the makeup of that total cost can be found on the billings page. The absolute cell references can be found in all the cells under individual costs when it is referencing the product types. The relative references are under total costs and total amount.
If you click on the individual cost and product amount for each different product type, you will see that we named each of these cells in order to simplify our calculations. So as you can see, we named under individual cost PGC for P gravel cost, and then next to it we named it PGA for P gravel amount, and then we used that to calculate the total by doing PGC times PGA.
For our cells that are calculated using mathematical equations, we have our installation cost totals. So those are right here. These are calculated through a combination of addition, multiplication, and multiplication. Next, we have our three built-in functions. These include sum, ifs, and ran between. Starting off with the ran between function that we already touched on a little bit, we use this when creating sample data for the product amount. Next, we use the sum function to calculate the total materials cost, which can be found right here. We just use the sum function. And then lastly, we use the ifs function to give us the correct output for individual cost. So right here we use the ifs. Then we use conditional formatting to give us a colored gradient based on the product amount. The less the amount, the lighter the color, the more amount, the darker the color.
For data validation, we added a date ordered section on the top, and when you select a date, it will tell you whether or not the date selected is a valid date. We then created a line graph to show the product amount of the different types of rock: pea, gravel, river rock, and lava rock. This showed the amount of each type of rock.
The new function we used in this document is concatenate. This function allows you to merge information from several different cells into one, making related information easier to find. We use this to show the total product amount of rocks, soil, and foliage.
That's all, guys. Thank you.